Hi, I'm Anne. Today I'll be doing a 70s makeup look inspired by these photos of Ingrid Boulting and Windsor Elliot. The key features of this look are the blue eyeshadow, bright red lips, and a somewhat bronzed look. I already have my foundation on, so I'll be starting with the eyebrows. Using the Tony Moly Lovely Eyebrow Pencil, I'm drawing my eyebrows quite thin and slightly arched. I'm taking the shimmery cool blue from the MUA Makeup Academy Professional Eyeshadow Palette and applying that to the front 2/3 of my eyelid. I'm basically ignoring where my eyelid fold is and extending the eyeshadow up to the edge of my eye socket. Then using this darker shimmery blue from the same palette, I'm filling in the other third of my eyelid, blending it with the first eyeshadow. Again, I'm just using my eye socket as a guideline. For the final blue shade, I'm using Indication from Revolution Pro Regeneration Eyeshadow Palette in Mischief Matte. I'm tracing this along the edge of my eye socket and extending the colour along my lower lash line. Then from the same palette, I'm taking Saint and dabbing this onto my inner corners. For the eyeliner, I'm using KVD Beauty Tattoo Liner in Trooper Black. I'm drawing a thin upwards wing pointing towards the end of my eyebrow. I also lined my upper lash line. Next, I'm curling my eyelashes. With my lashes curled, I'm now priming both my upper and lower lashes with Pimmel Essence Mascara Base. While I'm waiting for the lash primer to set, I'll be contouring my face with the Sleek Face Contour Kit. From the brief research I did, the bronze look was popular in the 70s, so I'm applying the contour quite generously. I'm enhancing my cheekbones and also contouring the sides of my forehead. Then taking a smaller brush, I'm contouring my nose. For the blush, I'm using L'Oreal Lucent Magique Glow Blush in Dazzle Coral. I'm applying this to the peak of my cheekbones to emphasize them even more. For the lips, I'm using this bright red lipstick from Ted Baker. It came in a Ted Baker gift set, so I'm not actually sure what the product is called. I actually forgot to finish off my eye makeup, so now we're jumping back to the eyelashes. I'm using Innisfree Skinny and Jumbo Dualcara and applying generous coats to try and make my lashes pop as much as possible. Then I'm finishing off the eye makeup by lining my upper waterline with the Intense Black Eyeliner pen from BarryM. And here's the final look. I tried to do the 70s Farrah Fawcett hair, but all I had was straighteners, so it was a bit of a spectacular fail. But at least it still suits the makeup a little more than straight hair does. The blue eyeshadow and red lips are bright and eye-catching, and I honestly felt pretty empowered when I was walking down the streets like this. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Thanks for watching.